Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the MAMISON gloves that are rubber gloves. I love these gloves because one, with the grip, they go all the way up my arm. This is a size medium. I use them when I'm washing my dishes. I find them to be so useful because with this grip here, I can barely get up over my arm because the grip is tight. It's perfect. So you're not getting the water splashing onto your clothes. I have had these for quite some time. Other gloves will rip, they'll tear. If I poke a fork in by mistake as I'm doing the dishes, I don't have to worry about them ripping. These are wonderful. Size medium, and I'm about a size 6.5 glove, and they fit wonderfully. The grip is good, so when my hands are wet, I'm not dropping. If it's a glass, if it's a dish, they're not dropping out of my hands. I have them as a grip. I even use it to help rub if it's like something that's stuck on the pot or the dish. They work just as well to do that as well. This texture is wonderful on the inside. I'll take one off so you can see. And I don't find needing to, I would replace gloves constantly because they would tear. If your nails are longer, you may poke through. No, these are a higher quality. They last long. The grip is great. The rubber is fine. I love that it has, as I said, all the way up my arm, and it protects my clothing. So if you're looking for gloves that are going to be working well when you're cleaning, like not just doing dishes, if you're cleaning, you want to protect your hands, doing the dishes, working with food, all of these are great tools, great ways that you can use these gloves. So I definitely say that these are wonderful to have in your toolkit.